I've been getting a few comments asking how I do my lashes and what kind of lashes I do. So this is my cluster tutorial. It's really simple and really easy, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I am starting off with clean lashes with absolutely nothing on them. This is the only brand that I honestly keep coming back to. It's the KeyU lashes that range from 8 to 18. I use their lashes and I use their bond-in sealant because it's really good. It's the strongest that I've used and it doesn't irritate my eyes. I also make sure that I do my eyelashes in a small compact mirror just so that I can see up close. And again, these are the lashes that I use. So to start off, it's actually pretty simple. I just take the bond side of the tube and I apply the glue to only half of my eyelashes. I apply it from root to tip because I don't want anything to lift. I don't put too much on, but I put enough so that everything sticks. You don't want to put too much on though, otherwise it'll just be goopy and weird. And applying the glue half and half just makes sure that the glue stays wet while you're putting on the lashes. I go in with an 8mm lash first because I'm doing a cat eye sort of lash. I start off with the shortest length. I also have really tiny eyes, so I don't want to start off with anything too long, otherwise it'll just look weird. And afterwards, I go in with two 10mm lashes. I also make sure to press them into my lashes once I'm done so that they really stick. And that's the first half of me completing my lashes, is an 8 and then two 10s. So once I'm done with that, I go in with more of the bond glue, and then I just repeat the same steps, but with a 12, a 14, and a 16mm lash. Also too, make sure you're not putting these on your actual eyeball. Just put them at the root of your eyelash. You don't want to have the lashes actually touch your skin. That's how you can cause a reaction. That sounds like it's common sense, but I didn't know that at first. So just putting that out there. So once they're all on, I do take my fingers and just press my eyelashes to the lashes themselves just to make sure they're secure. And then I go in with the sealant side of the tube. This is just a clear liquid that keeps the eyelashes fresh and makes them last longer and makes them not as sticky because the glue can be really sticky. So this is what I do to just seal them off. So now that side is done, I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other side, putting the glue on half of my eyelashes and then applying an 8mm and two 10mm lashes. And then applying more glue to the rest of my eyelashes and applying a 12mm, a 14mm, and a 16mm lash. And then once I'm done, sealing it with the seal serum. This is optional, but usually it comes with a little spoolie, so I'll just brush through the eyelashes to make sure nothing's sticking together, but this is pretty unnecessary. And so that's it. For everybody who's asking for this, I hope this helped. It's really, really simple, and if you've never done lash clusters, please try them. They'll literally change your life. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, comment them and I'll answer. And yeah, bye guys.